Morning, friends. We are meeting after a long. First of all, congratulations to all of you, those who have allotted with Bajaj Holding IPO. So very beautiful IPO. Probably you will gain almost double listing gain, maybe little more than a listing gains on day one. So if you are having, my gentle advice to all of you is that don't forget that stock market is a game of valuation and the price. Okay. So stock market is a valuation of game and price. A fundamentalist decides valuation, and technical traders decides the price. Okay, so mm, stock market is nothing but a whirlpool between a price and valuations. And traders fundamentalists, as I told you, fundamentally decide the price, and technical traders make a bubble of that price. And once your valuation reaches in that price, the bubble is burst and prices comes down. So once again, congratulations to all of you, and don't forget the valuation and price game of the stock market. Because if a company has decided to allot you the IPO at the price of 70 rupees, they must have decided the valuation of that particular uh, uh, IPO as per their whatever the structure is, maybe their assets and maybe their liabilities altogether must have come with at certain price level, and that price they have decided is 70 rupees. So ultimately, when it is a 70 rupees, that must be a justifiable valuation. But if your listing goes up to 140 or maybe 160, then probably the valuation is doubled. And do you want to buy Bajaj Holding at double valuation is your call. But once again, my gentle advice to all of you is that don't forget the stock market is a valuation and price game. So let's discuss now what is going to happen in a Nifty. Do you know that Nifty is going to go one more high? Each and every time market surprises you. Giving a surprise to retailers, giving a surprise to traders is in a market's habit. So if you know the Elliott Wave theory, understanding that surprise is becomes very easy. So here you see the price chart of the Nifty or point chart of the Nifty, where you will be able to see uh, moves in terms of the Elliott wave, what I am going to show you here. Okay, so this is probably what I'm going to explain you, that one more high is pending in the Nifty, and probably that high will take Nifty to the price of 25,637. So don't forget, one more high is pending in the Nifty. What next? A correction that may be price wise, a correction that may be time. So let me explain you what is going to happen in the Nifty next. As I told you, market always moves in the two kinds of move. One is an impulse and second is an correction. Impulses and correction is what price moves in the market. So impulse is always 5 legs move, and correction is always in 3 legs move. That is in general understanding of the market. So here you see the 5 leg move very nicely in a Nifty. Uh, Let me show you. I make a waves draw here. So here you very beautifully see the 5 leg move in the market. Okay, this is what the 5 leg move is going on the market. So this is an impulsive move. As I told you, impulse moves in a 5 leg and correction moves in a 3 leg. So in every impulse there is a collection, and there is a in every correction there is an impulse. So this is again, you need to know, if you're a electrician, if you want to understand very beautifully what the Elliott wave is, you can join my uh, channel. You can subscribe my channel, and you can go through all my previous videos where you will be able to see what is impulse, what is correction. Then I have beautifully explained you all the things very nicely. So here you can see my wave one is going in. My wave one is going here in on just in 1 6 friends. here you can see very nicely, like one has going in a 5 move here, then that is in corrective move, that is ABC. So this is probably a very beautiful diagonal move here. Okay, this is diagonal. This is called as a leading diagonal. If you are Elliottician, you must be knowing what is leading diagonal and what is ending diagonal. Sometimes it looks like a triangle or flag pattern, but every flag pattern doesn't break out on the upper side. That you have to understand, and that understanding only comes with an Elliott wave theory. So here you can see very beautiful gaps here. So every impulse has a gap. So that is the nature of the impulse, that in impulse you see multiple gaps. Okay, in correction you see the gap, but those correction has to be uh, in ABC pattern, and those A and C is called as an impulse. So also you see the gaps in correction, but this is very likely that your impulses get gaps. So here you see the very good leading diagonal. Then this is a wave 2. I will show you retracement of wave 2 with what this has come up to. So this is in retracement of wave 2. We will see it's very beautifully up to a golden ratio 0.618, and then your third wave has started. You see I have applied 9 wave moving average. So 9 wave moving average decides my whether impulse is still in going to continuation, because any and every move above 9 moving average is my impulse. I usually apply 50 MA, which defines a bear and bull market. So here you see almost very beautifully impulse has, or third wave has gone up to level 2 here, and you see very beautifully level 2 here. Now let me apply all. I haven't purposely applied all this before, because I want to show you actual how it is applied and how I do this. Okay, so wave 2 you see here, it's gone up to level 2, and then again move started, which is an ABC. So as I told you, market moves in ABC and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns. So here you see ABC, which corrects a wave 4, and wave 4 after completion of wave 4 up to 0.382 level, you see the level 5 or impulse 5 has started. So impulse 5 is again going in the subordinate, you see very beautifully here. Okay, so this is very beautiful impulse pattern. I will change the color of this to blue, and you can see very 5 pattern is going to start. So we are in the fourth wave of wave 5, and let me show you here. I want to retrace my levels of wave 4, which should not be beyond wave 38.2. So I find 23.6 or 0.382 is a level where market will come up to. So probably in next few days, 25 or 220 is the level we will be coming up to. And then again, we will go up to 0.618. So again, if I'm assuming this will be the ratios, then probably once again we'll confirm the price moves, and that will be again 618 and 382. So here you see a very beautiful price cluster at end of wave 5. So let me change the color of this, and you will see very beautiful cluster. What is a cluster? Cluster is a Fibonacci's ratios where wave two ratios meet each other and make a beautiful cluster. So here you see 0.618, and here you see 0.618. So 25, 634 and 25, 643, 0.80 and 0.75 on this part. So these are the probable levels we will go up to. यहाँ पे हम लोग जा सकते हैं, एंड वहां से एक वापस एक करेक्टिव मूव चालू होने वाला है. सो एज ऑफ नाउ इंडिया इज इन ग्रोथ स्टोरी वेरी इम्पैक्ट, and we are in the India growth story market move. So market will always go in the extensions here. So just remember this. So these are the probable levels which are disclosed by me. Let's check and let's see the move, what it is going up to. We will be coming with all such and beautiful videos of levels of the market and all that. Let me give you one more example, one more this thing. Probably my last few days trade I will like to show you here because it was Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel has a very good move then, very good 5 leg move here. Let me open one more page here of and I will give you show the chart of Bharti Airtel. But before I go here with the Bharti Airtel chart, let me remove the all drawings. So this is one again 1 hour chart of Bharti Airtel, and I'm going to explain you the same things what I show you in uh, Nifty chart. Okay. So this is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC moves you will be able to see here. So let me show you the waves and let me mark it little bolder. So you will be able to see a Bharti Airtel chart. So my price entry in Bharti Airtel was somewhere about 1546. This is where I entered in the Bharti Airtel and I exited at price of 1594 or 1592. That was a point of resistance and then it little retraced down and then went back to my targets of 0.682. Here you will be able to beautifully see the price has gone up to the 618 level. So this is what is exactly going to happen in a Nifty chart. So once again, here is a Nifty chart that you see here. Okay, so stay connected with me for the levels and understanding of the market. We will be coming up with regularly few more videos of valuation of chart and I'm planning to have a few more basics videos of same of understanding market and all that. So stay connected, stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe my channel here and bye for the day. Have a nice and wonderful Ganpati Visarjan to you and market is on a break for 2 days. So bye for the day, friends. Have a wonderful week ahead.